tribute to their father. These guys love their dad so much and they want to express it through their God-given talents on stage as they strut their stuff. Please give a warm welcome to the Fausto Brothers.
This is Marvin, and just want to ask you this one question. Let's see. What do you love most about your father?
Thank you for the question. Yeah, he's able to combine his passion and in turn helping others by making investing easier for everyone.
For me, it's one thing for his dad to tell you, oh, don't do that, oh, you should do this. But it's another thing when he himself does it, which makes a pretty good life guide for you.
Alright.
What I love most about our dad, which I think is the greatest challenge every working, dad has to face being a provider, is that he makes sure that he works just his best there, but when it's family time, it's family time. Thanks, Ma.
Wow. This beautiful families are covered in the June issue of Korean magazine. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Give them a big hand.
Congratulations.